Students, we consider problem number 4, exercise 4.2 NCERT book class 10. This is very easy problem. Now you want to solve this problem. The problem given: find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Now what are the positive integers? Now you want to find this. Solution: let the two positive consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. If one is x, another will be x plus 1. Let the two positive consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. But according to the question, sum of whose square is 365. X square plus this square equal to 365. According to the question, x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 365. And if we expand this x square, x plus 1 whole square, this is a plus b whole square, x square 2x into 1 plus 1 square, 365, and this is x square 2x square, this is twice x plus 1 minus 365 equal to 0, 2x square plus twice x minus 364 equal to 0, 1 minus this minus 364, and dividing both sides by 2, we get 182 equal to 0. Now the rules of factorization, this and this multiplying, we get minus 182 x square. But 182, if we taking prime factorization, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 7 1 dash 7 3. So we get 2 7 13. 14 into 13, we get 182, and we write this one, x square 14x minus 13x 182 equal to 0. So 14 minus 13, we get x, and if we multiplying this and this, we get minus 182 x square. So taking x common, x plus 14 from this 2, and from this 2 minus 13 common, x plus 14 equal to 0. And these two are common, x plus 14 is common, we get x minus 13 equal to 0. So product of two factors 0, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So from this we get x equal to minus 14 and x equal to we get 13. But we consider x and x plus 1, these are positive consecutive integers, that means it cannot be negative, so this will be cancelled. X cannot be minus 14. So therefore the required consecutive positive integers are 13 plus 1, that is 13 14. This 2 is our answer. So we consider x and x plus 1, x is 13, then 13 plus 1 14. So 13 and 14, these two are answer. So now we consider problem number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. So this is the problem. So we consider the altitude given, but base not given, and hypotenuse also given. So we consider base is x centimeter, then altitude will be x minus 7 and 13 centimeter given hypotenuse. Now we want to find the other two sides, that means base and altitude. Solution: let the base of the triangle be x centimeter. Therefore, altitude equal to x minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse given equal to 13 centimeter. So these measurements are given. Now we want to find the base and altitude. But this is a right angle triangle. It satisfies Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have what we have: x square plus x minus 7 whole square equal to 13 square. This is x square a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is 169. We get this: a minus b whole square, a square minus twice ab plus b square. So x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. This one taking left hand side, and 2x square, this is minus 14x, 0, 120, we get this, and dividing both side by 2, this is 2 is common, dividing both side by 2, we get this. This is 60 equal to 0. So by rules of factorization, this and this multiplying, we get minus 60 x square, and 60 means this is 60, 2 into 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. We get this. So this will be 12 and 5. So this is x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So from these two, taking x common, x minus 12, from these two 5 common, x minus 12 equal to 0. So this will be, we get, this is x minus 12 is common, x plus 5 equal to 0. From these two, x minus 12 common, then x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 12, x equal to minus 5. So we get this one. So we get 12 and minus, so this is length cannot be negative, so minus 5 is cancelled, then x equal to 12. So base means x, so base we get 12. Therefore base equal to 12 cm, altitude equal to x minus 7, this is 12 minus 7, this is 5 cm. So this is our answer, our requirement. Find the other two sides. Therefore the required two sides are 5 cm and 12 cm, 5 cm and 12 cm, and this is our answer. Very easy. The required two sides are 5 cm and 12 cm. Now we consider problem number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of article. Very easy problem. Now solution we consider. We have to find number of articles. Let the number of articles produced on that day be x. We consider x. Let the number of articles produced on that day be x. Then cost, then the cost of production of each article on that day. So given production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. This is rupees twice x plus 3. This is our, according to the question we get this 3 more than twice the article, this one. Therefore total cost of production on that day equal to number of articles produced on that day into cost of production of each article on that day. So therefore total cost of production on that day equal to number of articles produced on that day into cost of production of each article on that day. So this will be, we get rupees x into twice x, total production is x into twice x plus 3. According to the question, this production will be 90. It was given on that day was 90. We get this. So this is 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. We get this, and this multiplying, we get minus 180 x square. 180 x square, if we taking prime factorization, we get 290, 245, 315 3, 5. We get this. So 15 and 12, we get 180. And if we multiply, then 15 minus 12 is 3. So this will be 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. We get this one. So from these two, only x is common. Taking x common, we get 2x plus 15 minus, from these two, we are taking 6 common, minus 6 common, then we get 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So from this only x common, we get 2x plus 15, and from this 2 taking minus 6 common, then 2x plus 15, and 2x plus 15 is common, we get x minus 6 equal to 0, and product of two factors 0, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So x equal to we get minus 15 by 2, and x equal to we get 6. This is not possible because this cost x means we consider number of articles, it cannot be negative. So this is cancelled, x equal to 6 we get. So the value of x 6, therefore total cost will be, therefore the required our requirement therefore the required cost of each article equal to 2x plus 3, we get 2x plus 3, this one, this is 2, x means 6, 3, 12 plus 3, we get 15. So required cost is rupees 15 is our answer. So required cost of each article is rupees 15. So dear students, this solution is very easy. If this solution is very easy and you are feeling this solution is very easy, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.